Hi guys, we're here at North River Falls Park. I'm here accompanying these beautiful ladies on a hike today. We're doing a group hike with Davy and Sky and their new baby, and we got another new baby over here. A couple other people. All right, should be a good day. Beautiful out.
Gorgeous, love it.
Just coming from the parking lot, you can start seeing North River. Beautiful down there. So the trail follows along the river here. Beautiful, huh? I've been at the back. Look at this little guy, huh? How are you? You're so cute. So cute. Isn't this cool? Climbed up on the rock here so you can see a better view at it. Isn't that awesome? Wouldn't it be something just to hang a little hammock over in the trees there and sleep? That would be pretty wicked. Well, dear, I think me and you have been here before, haven't we? Yeah. Yeah, beautiful falls though. Look, we got another beautiful dog with us on this trip, don't we, huh? Can you say hi? Pretty awesome that the power of water can shape rocks. All the smooth. I want to go over on the island there. There's no way to cross without getting soaked. Poor guy got a limp limb. Well, I flew it up. I didn't see a branch. And didn't I hit it? Boom! Hit the ground. Broke the leg off. Alright, I got a perfect idea. I'm going to catch up to my wife. I'm going to hand her the drone and ask her to hold on to it. Then I'm going to blame her for breaking it.
45 minutes to get down there.
Can you hold that for me, please?
Maybe an hour and a half. Like,
Can you pack it up?
And the drive.
Yeah.
Where's your
What'd you
thing?
do to it?
Did you break it?
I just handed that to you.
You broke it again.
No, you did.
No, you broke it again.
I seen it. I passed
Is
it to
it
her.
the
It was
fourth?
working. It is the fourth one. I broke 3 and you broke 1.
I didn't break any.
Well, that turned out to be an awesome day.
It was fantastic.
That was fun up at Big Spruce.
Never been here before.
Nope.
Definitely coming back.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.